Recording?
Yeah. Is that fun, Char?
Ready?
More.
Okay, I'm starting to get dizzy.
Yeah, careful, Katie, careful.
Whoa, I'm sorry. Okay, now I'm totally dizzy. Come on. This way.
Yeah, let's put her back up here, please.
No,
Sissy's getting tired, Char.
Do you want to go under?
No, probably not a good idea.
Okay, come on. Let's go back. No.
Oh, she loves you.
Can I have a hug? Yeah. Hug.
Hug.
Oh, ready? I'm just going to put you down for a second, okay? No. Ah. You're strangling me. What? You're strangling me. Go here for a minute, okay? No. Hang on.